Discover the heart of Cook Islands culture with Tumutoa Tours, where the spirit of the warrior is not just a name, but an experience. Across from Manuia Beach Resort in Arorangi village, Tumutoa Tours offers an authentic journey into the past, guided by the passionate Ngametua, a true warrior dedicated to preserving and sharing his rich heritage. Embark on the Raemaru Legends Trek, a 2.5-hour tour that immerses you in the history and legends of Rarotonga. As you traverse the sacred grounds of Wakapuaikura, your warrior guide will recount the tale of the mountaintops stolen by Aitutakian warriors and its impact on the local people. This picturesque trek is not just a walk, but a gateway to the past, where every step brings you closer to understanding the Cook Islands' ancestral roots. The Raemaru Legends Trek is more than just a hike. It's a historical odyssey. Walk amongst the ancient tribal sites of warfare and sacrifice, while Tumutoa narrates mesmerizing legends that continue to captivate. Along the way, indulge in light refreshments of seasonal fruit and coconut brunch, and learn about the medicinal uses of local plants and fruits. Remember to smile, as photos will be taken throughout to capture your adventure. Tumutoa Tours operates the Raemaru Legends Trek on Tuesdays and Thursdays, with private tours available Monday through Friday upon request. Prepare for an intermediate-level trek by wearing comfortable walking shoes, bringing water, mosquito repellent, sunscreen, and of course, your camera to capture the memories. The tour includes interactive cultural activities, a guide, and light refreshments. Please note, there is no wheelchair access available to toilet facilities. With a minimum of 8 participants and a maximum of 60, or a private tour with a minimum of 2 and a maximum of 7, the Raemaru Legends Trek is an intimate journey into the heart of Cook Islands culture. Book your spot and step into the legend with Tumutoa Tours. Book with a Cook Islands specialist at Far and Away Adventures.